Hello and welcome. It's Susan. Today I'm going to be doing a bloom. Yesterday I did a staggered swipe and I have some leftover paint from that and I just want to use it up. It's the same recipe that I will be putting on my in my description. So I'm going to try and do a bloom today with the same colors. The only difference is I'm not using a black base. I'm going to be using a pillow. Yesterday I just used black Artist Law Flow acrylic. Today I'm going to be using house paint. So my colors are going to be, this is Deco Art Extreme Sheen Pink Tourmaline. And I'm going to be using the same Deco Art Extreme Sheen 24 karat gold. Also, I'm using Golden Open Dioxazine Purple. Basics Brilliant Purple. My CA cell activator is Amsterdam Lamp Black. I didn't use any of this. I don't know why I put that in there. I didn't use white cell activator. I think I was going to, but decided not to. So in my cell activator, I use Australian Floetrol. And this is the pillow I'm going to be using. It's a mist tint that I got from, I'm not even sure where I got this, but it's Glidden Ultra Interior Latex Eggshell. And the color is not the greatest color. It's kind of like a pinky cream color, but most of it's going to be tilted off, so I thought I'd just give it a try and see what this was like. Okay, we'll get to it. I forgot to mention that my pouring medium is Beauty Tone Signature Series Interior Enamel Acrylic Paint, semi-gloss, and it's clear base. And this is very thick paint, so I mixed half and half with just regular Floetrol. It's in a different bottle, but it's not the Australian Floetrol. So I mixed half and half with this, and that is my pouring medium. And it's no varnish at all. Before I begin, I'm going to try and show you the consistency of the paint. Let's hope I can get it on camera here, or you can see. Just makes a little tiny mound in the bottom. I'll try with my other color. See if I can get that one to... No, I don't think you can see this one. It's too dark. Might be able to. Yeah, just there, barely. Just a tiny mound in the bottom. Okay, whoops. I'm going to add some more of this pillow. Actually, I'm just going to pour it. This is pretty thin. I didn't think it was going to be this thin. Okay. Quickly, I have to work quickly. darker purple. Lighter one. Gold. And changing the camera angle quickly. Oh, I went a little bit off center. Shoot. Well, I'm just gonna go for it, I guess. It's probably too much, but no wonder it's dark in here. It's a little better. Oh, didn't want that to happen. I'm gonna have to pour that off. This part here. I blew too hard in the bottom. Paint came through. So totally weird. The best part, tilted off. Gonna go for it. You know what? I think I'm gonna tilt it this way. The gold over top, or the black over top of the gold makes it look green in my eyes. All right, hurry up. Hope I have enough paint to come back and then spin a little bit. I don't know, we'll see. I do not like that part there. Come on. down, go off. Too sure about this. Show you a close-up. Okay, it's dry. I thought I would show you what it looked like dry. The oops, oh, I just stuck my finger in it. Oh no. I thought it was dry. Mostly dry, except that one spot wasn't. Uh-oh. I just stuck my finger in there. Anyway, I was gonna say how shiny the gold is. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.